how to fix Facebook your page name can't be changed. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook page name, then the first thing you need to do is you have to wait. So if you have changed your Facebook page name within the 7 days, then you can't change your Facebook page name right after you changed it. You have to wait for 7 or for 14 days to change that. And the second thing you need to have in mind is that if you are not the admin of that page, then you can't change the name of that Facebook page. So if you are not the admin, then you can't change it. Now you can simply open up your Facebook account, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has a 3-bar icon, and then you can go for your page. So if you are the admin of that page and if you have not changed your page name within the 7 days, and if you're facing this kind of problem, then you have to update your Facebook application. So if you don't have an updated version, then you might find this kind of problem. So to update that, you can simply open up your Play Store, and then you can search for Facebook. And if you have an update on this Facebook instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and then you have to update your Facebook application. But even after updating, if this issue still exists, then you have to uninstall this application, and after uninstalling, you can simply install it again, and then you can log into your account, and then you can change your name on your Facebook page. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.